Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Revid AI, which is one of the most powerful and easy to use tools for creating videos automatically using AI. So whether you want to make YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, talking avatar videos or cinematic style content, Revid helps you do all of that without needing to record anything or do complex editing. It is perfect for content creators, digital marketers, coaches, or anyone who wants to save time but still make professional videos. I will walk you through how to start a project, how you can generate a video from the text or a YouTube link, how you can customize the visuals and the voice, and finally, how you can export your finished content. So, if you are ready to speed up your content creation with AI, let's dive into Revit step by step. But before proceeding into this video, make sure to check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to just either click on the link that is given in the description and then you will be landed at Revid.ai, or you can also open your web browser and search for Revid.ai. Now, once you are on this page, it will show you this prompt that would say create viral videos within just a few minutes. But in order to create your viral videos, you will have to first of all create a free account over here. So in order to create a free account, simply click on the sign in option in the top right hand corner of the screen. You can continue here with the help of your Gmail account or your email. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be continuing with my email address. So I'm going to click on the continue with Google option, select the email address, click on the continue option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and there you go. You have successfully created your account here within just a few simple clicks. Now once you are in, you will be landed on its dashboard, where first of all it will ask you to set up these AI settings. Over here you just have to select the 3 to 5 hashtags. So from this given list, you need to select the hashtags. Then you need to tell us a few words about who you are and what you are into. So here you can just type anything and then you just have to click on the save option. So this will be the dashboard where you can start creating your videos. Over here in the left hand section, you will see the home tab where you will see the start creating option, some of the learning videos that are created by other content creators. So here we have the publish option where you can basically publish your creations. You can just take a look at the stats of your creation. We have the creation tab in which we have the exports, the videos, audio mode, etc. So we will go through all of these tabs and the options one by one. So make sure that you stick around until the end. So here on the home page, as you can see, we have search viral videos, generate the script, create a video, and set up auto mode. So since we want to create a new video, simply just click on the create new video option, and then you will see the option of how do you want to create a video, whether you want to generate the short generator, prompt to video, music to video, audio to video, article to video, or talking avatar. Basically, you need to choose one based on what you need. For this tutorial, let's say we want to choose the short video, or let's say we want to choose article to video. Okay, so after doing so, you will have to just provide the article URL over here, and you will have to just simply customize these options. Let's say I selected the prompt option. Okay, so you need to just paste the script or write directly inside this editor. Ravid also provides you a built-in AI script generator, so you can just enter the topic and it will write a short video script for you. Over here, I'm gonna type this prompt, that is how to stay focused while working from home. Then you can use this slider in order to choose the target duration. For this video, I'm just gonna keep it on 15 seconds. Then you need to scroll down and select the customize option. Over here, you will see moving AI images, stock videos, AI video, your own media, and static gameplay. So let's say I want to create the AI video. Here you can select the generation presets. So some of the presets are given here, so you can choose the one that suits your style the best. So let's say I've selected this one here. Then you can provide some extra visual guidelines to the AI. This thing is optional, but I would recommend you doing it so that the AI could know what you are exactly looking for. Now after doing so, you will see the basic, pro, and the ultra models. For free, you are going to get the base model, and for using all of these, you will have to subscribe for their paid plan. If you want to record the voice with the help of the audio, you can also do that by using their voice recording options. Here in the right hand section, you will see the estimated cost or the credits that you will need in order to generate your response, and you can just select the resolution like square, landscape and portrait. So over here, after typing all of these, after giving all of these instructions, simply click on the generate option over here. Once you click on the generate option, it will ask you to just select for the plan. So here the hobby plan is going to cost you $39 per month. The growth plan is also $39 per month, but the ultra plan is $199 per month. So you will have to apply for any of the plans over here. Only then you will be able to start using it. So here you are going to get 2 months absolutely for free if you pay the yearly plan. So if you want to continue, you just have to simply use that and click on the generate video option. So it is going to take some time and generate the response for you, which you can then use in your videos and you can download it very easily. So this is how you can start using Revid AI to turn your ideas into the professional videos quickly and easily with no editing headaches. You will see a bunch of other options as well, like video, where you can again create a video. So if this tutorial helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also comment below what kind of videos you would like to make first. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.